Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I have this brass Walsco. This is made by the Vero company. I received this from Bearsback recently. Bearsback, if you're watching this, thank you again. It has a fairly weak pop there. It doesn't want to come all the way out. And in fact, once you relock it, if you don't get that little click, when you do turn the core, it won't pop out at all. Into a falset. I believe I overset the crap out of that. There we go. Again, yeah, there's like no real snap to that or anything. But still, beautiful, beautiful lock, and I'm really, really glad to have it. I always just give that a little click for next time. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching this. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe to see more, and have a great day. Thanks.